Okay. I found a little bird that my friend's dog is chewing on. I think he has a broken wing. He got into his water ball, so he's going to be flapping. He's flapping those wings, so that may just be a sign that just got bumped pretty dang hard. Okay, you guys. This poor little bird. Say your prayers. I've named it Chloe. Yeah. Named the bird Chloe. It's a good bird. Okay, that's the little birdie, guys. Love you. Bye.